Okay, here we go. Let's break this down, y'all. So the last 8 count, what we did was we were here from our Michael Jackson. So let's do it 1 8 count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Okay, just quickly review on that one. So right when we do this, your weight, obviously you're kind of balanced right here, but the upper body, you're leaning back, your knee and hip is going forward. Now you're going to throw yourself forward like this, okay? So 7, 8, and then right on the 1, boom. Notice how I'm landing forward. So if you look at where my feet are right here, I'm landing forward in the front. That's my 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. And notice on the 1, if I turn to the front, my right hand is in front of my left leg. So it's kind of like I'm running, okay? This is 1. Here, I got 2 and 3. This 2 right here, I'm kicking my right leg to the front on the 2, and the right leg, or the left leg is hopping back. That's my 2. So it's going back, forward, forward. It's 2 and 3. Okay? So again, from the 8, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3. And then we're going to repeat it again. 4 and 5. Okay? So let's stop at 5. You're going to go 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5. Okay? And notice on the 5, this time I'm not going to go, it's not 2 and 3. Notice on the 3, the back leg is in the air, but 4 and 5, both legs are down, because now I'm going to go and 6 and 7. So the legs are going to come together on and 6. So together, apart, together, apart. This is very reminiscent of in our old choreography. Remember we went like da 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 da, and then we went da 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 da. It's the same move without us spinning around. It's just and that. Okay? So we have and 6 and 7. You're gonna grab on and 8. So you pick something up from the ground and pull it up. So let's do that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Perfect. One more count, that's it. So from here, we're going to do what's called the Scooby walk. Scooby walk. 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Good. Breaking that down, kicking with the left leg, you're going to go 1 and. This is the easier version. This is to get started. So if you never learned the Scooby walk, try this way first, okay? 7, 8. You're going to go 1 and then you're going to go 2 and. On the 2, we're just pivoting from our heel. So heels on the ground, toes are moving out like a plie. So you're going to go 7, 8, 1 and 2 and. That's it. 7, 8. 1 and 2 and. Now this is the first version. This is the first grade, okay? Second grade, now we're going to hop. Yeah, we're going to go 1 and. So notice on the and, it's not 1 and anymore. This is the first grade is when we both feet are on the ground at the same time. Second grade, you're going to go 1 and. Okay, good. 7, 8, 1 and. And right on the 2, okay, drop it down and pivot at the same time. So this is a little bit challenging, but we're going to try it. You're going to go 1 and 2, 7, 8, 1 and 2. Again, notice on the end, you're gonna have to switch leg on the end and then down on the 2. Okay? And you got the nice turn out on the 2. 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and. This is the tricky part. Most people kind of miss this one, but when you get to 1 and 2 on the end, when you come up, and side view, and left heel comes off the ground, okay? So left heel has to come off the ground. Again, I'm not trying to bring my knee to the front here. I'm keeping my knee down, heel behind. So we have 1 and 2 and. So 7, 8, 1 and 2 and. Good. If you have 1 and 2 and, you can repeat it again. It goes to 3 and 4. And remember, we're going to stop at the 4. Ready, guys? 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, that's it. Let's try that one more time. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Nice. And we're staying down on the 4. Okay. So moving forward, here's 4. We're gonna go. Just look up the legs. You're gonna go 5 and 6. Okay. So you're staying down. This is knee going in, out, jump up. That's my 5 and 6. One more time. 3, 4, 5 and 6. Good. One more time. Just the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now with the hands, you're gonna cross, open, and then up, which is touching the same shoulder, okay? So 3, 4, 5 and 6. One more time. 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. You're just gonna cross, touch the shoulder, bring it back on, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. Moving forward, almost done. And just gonna drop it down. You can slap your lap if you like to, and then you're gonna do a lock. Okay. So basically, with the lock, we got a tutorial on just the lock. But what we're doing is this time we're choosing to pop our right knee up. So we're gonna put all of our weight to the left side. It goes down, elbow goes up, and you're gonna hold that lock. Okay? So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. There you have it. Let's do it one more time, guys, from our little Michael Jackson move. So 2-8 count. You guys do it with us. You guys like 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So that shows you how much I know the routine. Let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. That's it. All right. Yeah. Good job, guys. See you next one. Peace.